The most interesting social problems that we face, the most serious social problems we face, mechanism design problems. We have to think about new mechanisms, mechanisms that never existed, and ask why shouldn't they exist in order to solve these serious global problems like climate change, biodiversity, solving the energy problem.
Why dreaming of the things never were captured?
I'm particularly interested in mechanism design. And mechanism design involves creating markets, say, that never existed. For example, to solve climate change, we need to create, in effect, a market for carbon emissions. That doesn't exist unless we create it. And in this case, it has to be government that is involved in creating it.